So Hopman tools, this is the starter kit. So I'm going to take this apart and talk a little bit further about this and why this all came to be. First guide to scratch board. So this is your guide. 16 different panels on how to do a scratch board. The actual scratch boards, piece of tracing paper, and then a backer board. I've included glue dots appropriately. So I'll be able to take these off and affix it to the back of the board. So it secures it. Next, more tools. Whether you're left-handed or right-handed, you can use it in a fashion to do very fine strokes or very broad strokes by taking away a lot of the ink, and you're now scraping away a small amount of clay. Or you can use it in a detail fashion where you just do dots. So it's a practice board. Pretty cool. The other tools I've included is a kneaded eraser, and on my videos I'll explain how to do that. And then two, they're makeup applicators, so foam applicators where I speak about shaving pastel chalk into a dust. I've included a heavy carbon tool, Hopman tools, yay, and then you simply trace accordingly. You'll wind up turning it over, putting the pencil back, emitting carbon on the back side, retrace it, pick it up, now you've got a ghost image. And all of this is on the video. So that completes the explanation of your toolkit. Thanks for watching. Happy scratching.